To help my time coaching clients with their goal setting, I put together this Notion goal setting template that I'm now making available to all of my subscribers. So first off, I've created these sections: goal setting and achieving process, goal setting questions, set your personal work goals, set your teamwork goals, a plan on how to reach your goals, creating your tasks from the plan, creating dedicated time blocks for each goal, monitoring your progress, and some options for more help and to give us a review. So for each section, if you open it up, it will provide you with a training video on how to use it, and then the text here. So this is the overall process, review the goal setting questions, set your personal goals, etc. And you can close up each one when you're not using it. So the goal setting questions I put together here. It's really just some questions to ask of yourself when you're setting the goal to make sure that you're really getting the goals that are really important to you. So what's the purpose of your goal? Why does it matter? Does this goal fit your most important objectives and focuses? Does this goal work towards your most important objectives or the most important objectives of your organization? Will this goal help you achieve great things? What does the successful outcome look like? How are you going to measure success? Is this goal one my manager will agree with, notice, or rate you on? And will this goal take you out of your comfort zone? So just some questions to keep in mind while you're doing this. So then you go and set your personal work goals. Again, there's a training video there on that. And you want to identify, maybe I started by identifying some soft work skills that could help in your work, such as time management, software skills, management skills, leadership skills, public speaking, etc. And then, put in some ways that could be improved. Identify things you need to work on at your work, reviewing your job description, your performance reviews, getting feedback from your manager and your coworkers and how you could improve. Choosing, where you want to go in the company, choosing what your desired income in 10 years might be, some leadership goals. And again, all these goals can be removed and you put your own in. I'm just trying to give some thought, working some work-life balance in there, and then deciding how you're going to monitor each goal. And then optionally, I said, if you're managing a team, here's some sample team goals you could do: improving your team skills, managing them more effectively by coaching and feedback and running more effective meetings, perhaps sales targets for your team, customer satisfaction targets, and that kind of thing. So then creating a step-by-step plan to reach each of your goals. And I use an example here that if you wanted to improve your public speaking skills so you can speak at conferences in your industry, I put in some ways here to develop those skills, and then left some blanks for other goals you can do for yourself. The next step is to create tasks from that step-by-step plan for each of your goals. And you want to be adding these to your task management system. If you don't have a good task management system, I've also got a Notion task management system template you can try in that case. And finally, setting aside dedicated time blocks for each goal, because having goals is kind of useless if you don't have any time set aside to work on them. So I've created a time blocking using Notion video here in a template, and a time blocking using Google Calendar video here as well. And last sections are just ways to connect with me to get more help. And, my request that if you enjoyed this template, please give us a review by adding your review to our Captain Time Customers Speak Out section. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. You can pick up this template by following the link below in the description. Thanks so much for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And you can support independent content creation by clicking on the Buy Me a Coffee link below. As always, reach out at captaintime.com or leave a comment down below.